Inviting others to take a look at the LifeVantage product and opportunity is a critical skill and one that will determine the success of your LifeVantage business. Today, we will explore and learn techniques to invite others to use our products or join your team as a distributor. In order to be successful as a LifeVantage distributor, educating others about our products and opportunities is the first order of business. Notice that the focus is on education or helping them to make an informed decision and not on recruiting. As you focus on educating and lose your attachment to recruiting, you'll be more successful in this business. The key to educating others? Becoming great at making a compelling invitation. When you see your purpose as educating and providing information to others, it takes away the need to be pushy. And let's face it, being pushy probably makes both you and your prospects uncomfortable. An invite can be for any number of opportunities to educate: a one-on-one meeting, a three-way phone conversation, small group presentation, online seminar, a local hotel meeting, or an event. For purposes of today's training, we'll use the word event to describe all of these different forms. The key common denominator is that the personal interaction is building trust and connecting with people. So let's discuss a simple three-step invitation process that you can use to invite most people to most things. First, identify a because. Why do you think your prospect would benefit from the event in which you are inviting them? Something like this might work. I've recently partnered with a publicly traded company that is at the forefront of a quickly emerging field called Nutrigenomics. You might have seen news about it on TV. I think you'd find it fascinating because I know how busy you are, and I found that when I started using their products that I felt like I had more energy, even with less sleep, and everyone around me started to comment on what a good mood I seemed to be in. Or, because I know how competitive you are, and I felt like my athletic performance has really improved since I've been taking these products. Second, give them a specific invitation to the event. That includes date, time, and how much time you are requesting. So I might say, would you have 15 minutes on Tuesday evening so that you can see how this works? Or, can I take you to lunch on Wednesday so I can show you what I'm doing? Or, this Saturday, I'm going to a presentation that's being put on by a single mom just like you, who has figured out how to create a residual income stream that allows her to stay home with her children. I think that you would love seeing what she did, and it will last from 10 to about 11. Third, confirm the appointment, including reminding them or picking them up. Say something like, "So I'll see you this Saturday morning. I'll pick you up at 9:30 so we can get there a few minutes early and I can introduce you to some people I think that you would enjoy meeting. I'm really looking forward to it." Again, first, start with a because statement. Second, make a specific invite. And third, confirm next steps. Have fun with this process and focus on making invites even if people say no. The fastest way to get great at inviting is practice.